Attention! It's time to reach for the stars. So, what did everyone achieve this week? I got a science award for discovering a new form of bacteria in the fridge. Sir, ma'am, mom. Oh, that's very good, Anais. That puts you on the sunny cloud. Just below the star where I am for beating everyone at the company paintball day. Wasn't that supposed to be a team bonding exercise? Oh, I'm sure they all bonded in the hospital. Who's next? I learned how to do the mating call of the mockingbird. Well, I guess that's something. Everything well, I invented the sausage pan. Everything it whites is delicious. Innovated, but ultimately useless. And what about you, Private Gumball? What have you achieved? I guess I achieved nothing. Again? Surely there's something you're good at. I guess I'm good at being happy. Well, that's not good enough, little girl. As of tomorrow, I'm turning you into a winner. But right now, you're on the rainy cloud. Wakey, wakey, Gumball. It's time to get up. I can't see anything. I'll open the curtains. What time is it? It's 4 in the morning. Mom, why are we in the supermarket when the rest of the world's asleep? Because winners get up early so they get the best out of life. For example, that discount chicken. Pop it in the basket, sweetheart. Ew! Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize you wanted it. I think you had your hand on it first, Gumball, but she's just an old lady. An old lady who's going loose. Yeah? Well, we'll see about that. What the? Ow! Ow! Okay, ow! She's hitting me. Win the chicken, Gumball. Go on, kid. Give it your best shot. job. Heh. Keep the chicken, losers. I got myself a half-price salmon.
So, how does it feel to win, honey?
I don't know. Oh yeah, like an old lady hitting me in the face with a wet fish? Honey, I think there's a few things you don't understand about being a winner. Like what? Like... A winner? A winner never quits. A winner stares fear in the face. Oh man. Alright, that's it. I'm not doing this anymore. What does a winner do when life gives her lemons? Make lemonade? No! She squeezes them right back into life size. Really? Alright. Yeah! Dude, when was the last time you slept? Don't even ask, man. Mom had me up at 4 in the morning teaching me how to be a winner with that stupid fridge chart. Stupid? What's stupid about reaching for the stars? Dodgeball!
Boom! 1 point. Boom! 2 points. Boom! 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 Boom!
And he kept throwing the ball over and over and over, and I don't know what got into him. You know, there's nothing wrong with being a little competitive spirit, honey. Success is like a journey full of hardship. You need to learn that there's no gain without a little pain, which is why I've driven you here. The desert? Yes, you're walking home.
No! Don't leave without me! She'll be back. Give me that!
Hey! Ah, whatever, young man. Whatever, little girl. Keep it. Ah, where's Elmore? About 10 miles that way. What the? Oh, jeez. What went on here? It all happened so fast. First of all, Darwin got angry because he thought he deserved a sunny cloud for winning some dodgeball game. Yeah, I remember that. And then Anais flipped out because Marwold shared top spot on the chart. What? Anais too? And when Mom put your face on the sun, I trashed the house. I got a son? Wait a minute, you trashed the house? Dawn White. And I'll do it again if she doesn't give me a star for my cheese quan. Yeah. Not bad. Yeah. Feels good to win, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. Your chart is ruining this family. They're all behaving like animals. I mean, hello? We are all happy before. Do you even realize what you're doing to us? That's right. Use your anger, because you're going to need it for our little family outing tomorrow. Why? What's happening tomorrow? Okay, people. First one to capture the flag wins. You get hit, you're out. Oh, this is great. Paintball with crazy people. I'll be in the car. What have I got to do to get you to show a little competitive spirit? Okay, I'll play. But only if you tear down that stupid chart. Oh, I'll tear down that chart. If you win. All right, you're on. But please, everyone, this is a family outing. So let's play fair and try to have a little fun. Okay? Great. Dad? Please, take off the mask. Oh, thank you. Smelled like other people's faces. What happened? I didn't even see her. See who, Dad? Your mother. Ha!
Ah! Please leave me alone! I can't take it anymore! Ah!
Chill out, dude. It's only me.
I'm scared, dude! You were right. That fridge chart is evil!
Look, if we could stick together, we can beat Mom. All we need is a little time to come up with a
Paint bomb!
Okay, I think we're safe here, buddy. Darwin? Go on without me.
I'm not gonna leave you here!
It's too late for me. You're the only one who can save this family from insanity. I saw the flag from the tree. It's just up that hill.
No! No!
Just go. Just go.